What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Listen, I know it has been a very long time since I've posted anything on my YouTube channel, and I apologize for that, but ladies and gentlemen, we're back. That's all I gotta say. Today I'm actually gonna shoot a quick video of how I shoot my Instagram photos. I have multiple people on my DMs when it comes to Instagram asking about like how to sign up for agencies, how do you get these brand sponsorships, how do you get X, Y, and Z. So shooting my own content is a big part of what I do. Basically, like every week I tend to plan out everything as far as outfits, what's the mood board, where am I gonna shoot. So today I'm very streetwear. I got my Selena shirt and I got some joggers. If you guys want to see the fit and how the pictures come out, please go into my Instagram. I will tag it down below. But I'm gonna show you guys how I get it done. I am a one-woman show, you guys. I literally have nobody. If I'm with friends, and yes, they can help me, but most of the time I'm always shooting everything on my own. So let's get this popping and rolling. Mwah!
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else will do like you do. That's why I spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand?
Okay guys, so what I just showed you is me literally putting on my heels. Don't mind my toesies, but I was putting on my heels because I think it looks better than sneakers. What I tend to do is literally find a remote location. I hope you guys can hear me because it's windy. So what I tend to do is just to find a remote location where like nobody's around. So this is one of my favorite spots to shoot out here in, this is actually in Aventura, Florida. As you can see, I have my little tripod that I literally got from Amazon. I think it was only like $25. And I have my phone. An important note, you guys, make sure every time you are shooting your own stuff, can't even see. Okay, hold up. I had to get inside the car because it's way too hot and I had to put the AC on. So like I was telling you guys, I use my little tripod. I use my iPhone to shoot mostly all of my content. Sometimes I do use my camera, or I'll shoot with photographers. Shout out to you guys because I love you guys. You're amazing. But I always use the back lenses of my iPhone. I never like to use a front just because I feel like it's just quality wise is a lot better. I did have a selfie button that it's literally, you just click it, you connect it to your Bluetooth with your phone, but I lost it, so I have to do cell timer, y'all. I hate it, but I gotta do what I gotta do until the other one comes into the mail. Luckily, you can buy the little pieces. They're only like 12, 15, not that much. So I'm literally gonna buy like 2 because I refuse to lose anymore. But again, I'm gonna show you the process of me shooting. I think I like the view that I'm gonna go with, which is, so this is the view that I'm going for. And my phone, I promise you, is gonna look 10 times better, but I just like the buildings in the back with what I'm wearing. I think it's gonna match the fit. So let's do this. This is the aftermath. Guys, I swear, every time that I do my hair straight, it's like the waves just want to come back. The curls, they just say, no girl, you're not about to have straight hair. So it literally took me about like 30 minutes before I got really tired walking back and forth to see the positioning of my actual poses. I don't know if I was too far off to the right or to the left. That's the only thing that sucks when you're alone, because you don't have somebody to really guide you as far as positions, but it's cool. One thing's for sure, guys, I am getting that Bluetooth button because I cannot walk back and forth in heels. I was literally dying, but overall I did end up posting the pictures, so as soon as I upload this, go check them out. I wanted to show you guys, where is my tripod? Oh, it's in the back. Well, I showed you guys in the video, but okay guys, so I hope I helped everyone out as far as getting your pictures taken for Instagram. Like I said, I do this all on my own, so I'll make sure to link the Bluetooth to link your phone and to take your photos, as well as my tripod from Amazon, so you guys can get that yourselves. I'm sorry if I'm shaking, I'm literally holding the damn tripod by my hand. But you guys, I have missed you so much. I will be bringing back a lot more content. But for now, please follow me on Instagram. I'm always active there. I do have my podcast, Keeping It Real with Kimora, so make sure you check that out. It's also on Apple, Spotify, iHeartRadio, all that fun stuff. It's also linked in my Instagram, so you guys can hear your girl out. But I have very exciting news coming, guys, in the next couple of weeks. I won't say it now because I just want to, you know, make sure everything happens. I hope you guys have an amazing day. Stay blessed, stay creative, and don't let nobody tell you what you can do and not do, honey. And gentlemen, because I know y'all watch me too. But love you guys. Mwah.